everyone, आज चाहिँ मैले एउटा ट्रेड लिन जाँदैछु and I am going to explain why I am taking this trade. यो चाहिँ GFL हो अनि यहाँनिर यो 1 day POI थियो 1 day POI and त्यसको तल पनि अर्को 1 day POI थियो यो चाहिँ मिटिगेट भइसकेको थियो and gave react, so we are not considering this again. यहाँ तल चाहिँ हाम्रो liquidity थियो which we can say IDM inducement पनि भन्न सक्छौं. यहाँ तल inducement थियो and it tapped our 1 day POI at this point. अनि हामीले 1 hour मा हेर्छौं भने 1 hour मा हेर्छौं भने यहाँनिर स्ट्रक्चर थियो lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and it broke this high and made higher high. So this was the break of structure in 1 hour time frame. BOS break of structure to the upside and हामीले यो range को discounted premium हेर्छौं and here is our 1 hour POI. Just tap to our 1 hour POI and I'll be entering from here. अनि stop loss चाहिँ यो low भन्दा अलिकति तल राख्ने छु and मेरो target will be swing low to swing high and retracement, and this will be my target 17% target and 2% 3% about 3% भनिदिउँला about 3% risks 17% reward. So this is our trade setup and I have already updated this in my Discord channel. If you are interested to join, then you can join from my profile link छ त्यहाँनिर. So यो चाहिँ मेरो सेटअप मैले यहाँ डिस्कर्डमा पठाइसकेको थिएँ and हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ यहाँ यो माथि पनि we tapped but we failed, so we are looking for another 1 hour POI and this is our 1 hour POI where we will be entering. And म अपडेट दिँदै गरौँला. I'll give you update about this trade. Thank you. Happy trading.